You ask it, we craft it. Polly wants a crafter back here with Gang Beast. Gang Beast is a silly multiplayer game where you can customize your character, fight with friends in Beef City, and pretty much just explore the city, have fun, gelatinous characters, and they're super cute. So if you guys want to figure out how to make these, stay tuned. So kind of roll like a sausage diesel shape for the body. And take some thin aluminum foil to have some sturdy feet for our Gang Beast guy. So here I just took a little ball of clay and put it on an aluminum foil piece. And I took a thin strip of clay and wrapped some fingers around it, smoothed it out so that they look like little fingers on a palm. You're going to want to smooth everything out till it forms around each other and it starts to look like Crumb from Our Real Monsters. So here we put in another piece of aluminum foil inside of a ball and we're shaping some white clay around it to make a cute little backwards hat. I'm going to take some more white clay and make it into almost like a duck bill to attach to the back of the hat. Take some water and smooth all your fingerprints out of it before we finish off the details. I wasn't in love with how my hat looked, so I just took a triangle of orange clay and put it right over the hat, and it made the hat hole exactly how I wanted. I'm smoothing out some lines around it and adding some crisscross and little dot details to the top of the hat. And of course they wouldn't be Gang Beasts without the cute little white simple eyes, so we're just adding those here. So of course we had to give him a friend. I decided to go with the purple chicken Gang Beast. I portioned out all of his body parts and kind of smoothed them together. Here I kind of wanted to give you an idea how I make those aluminum rods to insert into the piece. And you kind of just fold it up and twist it until it's really taut and you can stick something right through it. And I'm just neatening up the edges again to prepare the head to go inside the little snuggie hood that it's in. Smooth it out with water to get all your fingerprints out and prepare for the last details. Take some yellow and shape it as a triangle and put it at the top for the beak. Here I'm taking some red and I'm shaping it into the comb that goes on top of the head for the rooster. Yes, I just looked that up and found out it was called a comb, and I am in awe. Two black dots for the eyes, two white dots for the face, and the red wattle on the chest. And that's it. All you do is Mod Podge them to make them shiny. They are super customizable. If you guys decide to customize these, please send me them. I would love to see them. And like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this right here on Polly Wants a Crafter.